Unong yalam ka BJP bad MLA ka penthor umkra uba AL hek ha ka Southern Jamang. Ula ong baka party kadang yakren bad kikat tu kat ni kinong yalam san perthai na keleng gajala Meghalaya ki balapan kre banwan penyaso. Da ka bakam bagi don ru ki MLA bamenta kumju ki MLA barim bad ki MDC ki bansawan yaso shen syaka BJP. Kidon bun ba kinong yalam ki balapun yang om tang menta kasngi. Henry na duk kini kindiat singi baladam bagi kwa ban penyaso syaka BJP bat gila syong jingalang bat ki babona ki bat shen kinwan ban penyaso ong uba hek. Kini kikin thop ikinong ngalam barang ba ki MLA ba menta kumju ru ki MLA barim bat ru ki MDC ki ban wan penyaso shen syaka BJP ula benram. Uba hek ula penyaso ya kan ka jingwan rung balak mi lenti bat kelenti ya jong ka seng na kabentak election arja arpra da ka babenram ngala ong ya phi bahaus nam arja arpra kande ka sarkar balayalam da ka BJP ha Meghalaya uni unong ngalam ka BJP ulak mi ru lingba ka jingla ban le pha jong ka party hak election badang shudam shabar jong ka jila ha West Bengal ngitip bangin sa job Henry ngimshim lakmi lenti bakan don ka jinga pher ka bahe Henry kadai ka jingjok ka bakrawi ka BJP ha West Bengal kumju ha Assam bat ha Puducherry ong uba hek.
We're talking about the BJP and the BJP victory. We're not talking for other political parties.
Meghalaya, I'm saying.
Even Meghalaya also, but BJP will be forming the government in 2028. That is very sure.
Yes. It's giving a boost.
Yeah, there's so many leaders that call me, not only today, for the last few days, they want to join the BJP, and definitely many of them also, we had the meeting with them, and they are joining very soon. Two very senior leaders, the sitting MLA and also the former MLA and also MDC are joining BJP.
So in 28, you will be able to form the
I
government
told
here.
you also, but 28 will be a BJP-led government in Meghalaya. West Bengal, we know that we are going to win, but we are not expected that much of margin. So, but it's a very, very Trump, victory for the BJP in West Bengal, Assam, and also Puducherry.